Did you hear that?
I did.
Yeah,
It
me
has
too.
started recording.
Okay, let me just tile it. And we go. So this is WIKISPEED, Thursday, August 17th, 1700 Pacific time. And over to you, Michael.
It's Michael Wolchuk, not in Saskatoon, right now in Martinsville, sitting outside in the car, but not driving. This past week, I got the video posted for last week, and that is absolutely it. No progress on anything else. And next week, I'm still hoping to make some progress on the knitting machine, web server, and on the reload of the sun catcher. I'm actually going to have to probably look at some old videos and see if I can figure out what I had to change in order to make it work, because I don't remember anymore. And blocks, got a lot of company, so I just don't have very much time to work on this stuff. Back to you, Lauren.
Okay, this is Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And I didn't get much done this week. I read some more of the No Miracles Needed book, and it got more interesting in the middle with the transportation discussion and the 150 years since or more since electric vehicles started of one kind or another. And Side of that, that's it. That's it for me. Coming week, I'm hoping to be camping again, so I'm thinking not much happening, but I do have my portable soldering iron, which is quite nice. It's 30 seconds. It heats up in 30 seconds. Has a light shows when it's ready. But I actually haven't done a successful solder with it yet, so I'll hold my review off. And blocks are, yeah, summer things. The heat really bothers me. Uh, so far, I haven't been affected by smoke because although it's all around us, it hasn't blown this way. Uh, and so that, yeah, so back to you for the retro.
So retro, I got 1 out of 4 done for last week. And I guess I failed to report that I did watch the video that you had sent a link to, but I didn't make any notes. So I'm going to add that for the to do for next week. And retro is I'll get 1 out of 4 for me, plus stand up. I'm going to give myself 4 out of 10. And I'm going to go with a 7 for the team because we're still at least meeting and talking. So that's good. And process improvement, we still got to keep. I don't even remember Trello. Yeah, Trello.
Yeah.
Up to date so that people can join in when we figure out how. Damn, I forgot to get credentials from Chris again for the website. Okay, another thing that I'm supposed to do on the list. Back to you.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to go 4 for me, 7 for the team. And I agree about Trello. So that's it for this stand up ceremony, as we call it. And I am going to stop it now to just make sure I capture the thing.